My grandma has developed Alzheimer's disease. Initially, she forgot where she put her stuff. Then, she struggled to remember her friends and families. Now, she can no longer live independently as she forgets whether she has meal or not. Like my grandma, there are about 55 million people worldwide suffering from Alzheimer's disease or a related form of dementia, and 10 million new cases every year. The global dementia cases are expected to reach 152 million people and estimated to cost about $2 trillion by 2050. What makes things worse? There's no effective treatment available. What is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is associated with the accumulation of toxic proteins and dead cell bodies, which are the waste in the brain. Imagine if you live in a house full of waste and the waste is not cleaned up regularly, then you are very likely to get sick, right? This is the same in the brain. When brain cells live in an environment with a lot of waste, then cells will no longer function properly and die. So we need a cleaner in the brain house to clean up the waste. Phagocytosis is a process that certain living cells use to eat up and clean up the waste particles. Astrocytes, as you can see on the slides, are star-shaped cells. Astrocytes are one of the main cell types responsible for cleaning up waste in the brain. However, there are not many studies about how astrocytic phagocytosis works. My research is to investigate the effect of pro-inflammatory molecules on astrocytic phagocytosis. Pro-inflammatory molecules allow cells to realize that there is inflammation happening in the brain. These will upregulate astrocytic response to the waste, and this response includes phagocytosis. I have already been able to find several pro-inflammatory molecules that increase astrocytic phagocytosis. In other words, these molecules enable the cleaner to clean the waste better, which might reduce the waste in the brain and relieve the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. I believe my research can provide a fundamental new approach for treatment of Alzheimer's disease, which will benefit not only my grandma, but also millions of patients worldwide. Thank you.